Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we harvest our potatoes of our Redskins and our Yukon Gold yesterday on August 9th, which was actually kind of cool because it was actually my birthday, so we were actually able to see what we actually got from this. And as you can see on the scale, between the mix of what we had was about 6.42, 6.3. It's mostly moving back and forth because we're outside on our deck, but to get just a little over 6 pounds for what we did for both, we're pretty happy with that. And also what we ended up doing was some of the plants we pulled still had smaller seeds for the Redskins and the Yukon Gold. We actually planted those right back into to see if they're still going to grow with the stalks still on them. We're not sure if it's going to work or not, but we want to at least give it a shot and try. And with the Redskin, or the plastic bag, the smaller one, and the burlap one, we're actually making a decision that if we're going to do more for next year, the plastic bag is going to be better. And what we're going to do is we're going to pause video and show you why. Okay, one things that we noticed from using kind of this burlap bag sack versus kind of this kind of a tarp plastic one was we are actually preferring the smaller one here. And that's because when we actually go to the bottom, nothing is actually poking out through the bottom when we're growing. And we left these stalks on there because there were still some small potatoes on there. So we're doing an experiment to see if we're still can make them grow out of the bag. But the problem with the burlap bag one is when you lift it up, they're starting to poke, some are starting to poke through the bottom. So even though we ended up putting some more small ones back in to see if they're going to grow, we can. But in the end, I think if we're going to order more, maybe get these ones, these plastic ones are going to be your better fit for that. And what we ended up doing with the raised bed was some of the ones that we pulled that still had small potatoes on there, we kind of just replanted those, everything back in there just as an experiment, just to see if it's going to work or not moving forward. But that's going to be the end of this video. Let me know if you guys have had any success by replanting stuff that had the potatoes on there, the seeds, and if you guys got more out of it or if it's just a lost cause. So just let me know, those in the comment section. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.